stay green or blue? I'm gonna stay blue. Which means I am going to veer left. Somewhere up here. Here? I think here. Here's the old laundromat. Oh, damn. That smells like laundry. Hey, look. Fellow rider. Oh, my ass is starting to hurt already. How long have I been riding? Let's see. About an hour and a half. Got the seat comforts, or seat concept seat, and it's a lot better than the stock seat. The stock seat I'd be hurting, like actually hurting, after like 20 minutes. But it looks like it's, seems about right, about an hour and a half until I get uncomfortable on the seat concepts one. But it doesn't, you know, it's not too bad. When I was doing the NEBDR, oh, look at this nice stream following along the road. It's actually really nice. That's awesome with those giant boulders in there. Cool. Anyway, when I was doing the NEBDR, I was actually like in severe pain from the seat. And, you know, you could say, oh, you should stand up more. My legs were dying from standing too, so I don't know. Maybe the answer is I just have to get stronger, really. But even though this is paved, absolutely loving it. Can't resist. I'm pulling over. Gotta check it out closer. There's probably a better place to check it out. This is just a drop off. Here. Yeah, this looks like a good spot. Maybe up there more, so. Oh, the water is so clear. I'm gonna go up here more so I can get more off the road so I don't get run over. Alright. Oh, that is really soft. Don't fall over. Maybe I can find a rock here. Perfect. Pretty cool one too. All right. Let's see. Got some nice hemlock. Well, there's not a great place to get down here either. Damn. I love the streams like this, where it's just boulders from the Ice Age. They're just plopped down where they were at when the ice melted. So awesome. Alright, I'm gonna get down here. So cool. There's got to be a ton of crayfish in here. Don't see any fish though. There's probably some pools where they're at. I wonder if there are any cool, like geodes or whatever they're called in the Adirondacks. If you can find some cool rocks and crack them open. I've never done that. I don't think I've ever lived somewhere where it's common to actually find anything cool. I'll have to look that up. Now, for the stress of owning a KTM. I do not always trust that it's just going to start right back up like you would a Honda, Kawasaki, or Yamaha. And I don't have any service here, so should have brought my camping gear. Alright, not stranded. Is it 7? While I'm stopped, probably should just grab my goggles. It's gonna be getting dark soon. Yeah, I don't know if you guys do the same thing. I, have the fogged visor on my helmet, which I hate changing in and out, so I just keep my goggles on me regardless, and they're clear, so at night I can just throw those on, not have to worry about bringing a clear visor with me or just only wearing the clear visor. But it does make my helmet a lot louder. It does make recording a lot harder in that sense. So I'm going at any speed, probably can't hear anything I'm saying. It's colder. If it's cold at night, it's nice to be able to close your visor. This is steep. Oh my god. I have not seen this kind of slope since I left the Northeast. It's just a dead drop. It's like almost 90 degrees. Oh man, missed that.